Your mortgage servicer very probably doesn't hold your deed or title. The foreclosure gate and robo-signer scandal exposed in October of 2010 assures that. A broken chain of title has serious implications for your home for three different situations. A foreclosure is illegal. It prevents a short sale. It puts a cloud on your deed or title and prevents the potential buyer from obtaining title insurance. Assuming your title or deed was not transferred correctly from investor to investor as your mortgage was sold and resold, the servicer has broken the chain of title. That makes your servicer's foreclosure action illegal. Underwater mortgage holders are choosing this litigation strategy to save their homes and force the reduction of principal and terms on their mortgage to fair market value. Increasingly, they're succeeding with spectacular results depending on what state you're in. It's too early in the history of this scandal to predict what any given judge will decide as a remedy for your broken chain of title. The court that your suit is assigned to greatly influences the court decision. It is clear, however, that the better prepared the homeowner is and the more aggressive their attorney, the better the results. If your lender can't provide the original title or deed to your property, you probably win big time. The likelihood of a broken chain of title increases in improbability every year since 1994. This is a spectacular strategy to force mortgage servicers to recognize new, reduced fair market value, to lower your loan principal and interest rate to a fair market value and competitive interest rate. It is not suitable to argue in court for the free house that you undoubtedly deserve. A successful broken chain of title suit should by law result in a new mortgage. This is an especially suitable strategy for a homeowner who doesn't qualify or isn't satisfied with a mortgage modification. The REST title search or property solutions report is ideal for due diligence for an expedient short sale also. It establishes a current court-sanctioned automated value model or AVM and net present value for your house that the servicer cannot dispute. It's the servicer's own calculations. They'd be arguing with themselves in court. You need the right attitude and probably some funds available to you for a broken chain of title suit. You need a real fire in your belly. Mortgage modification and short sale are a do-it-yourself projects. A broken chain of title suit is not. Perry Mason was not cheap or idle. No self-respecting attorney is going to consult with you for a broken chain of title suit until you have the REST title search. It's a waste of their time, and there are too many deserving, earnest, and prepared clients. However, your mortgage servicer is not entitled to collect any mortgage payments or assess any late fees or attorney fees while your case is in litigation. Currently, typical disputed mortgage cases start in bankruptcy court. You can anticipate your case taking several months to litigate. The REST Property Solutions Report is a comprehensive title search for property defense that includes the original REST report and additional title search. It is complete with vesting information, chain of title, assignments, assessments, judgments, endorsements, voluntary and involuntary liens, legal descriptions, allonges, even MERS data and pooling and servicing agreements, as well as all the court-required financials that are included with the standard REST report. It is one all-inclusive dynamic report. It is the mandatory place to begin broken chain of title, litigation, or for use in bankruptcy. The REST PSR will tell you in advance if you have a winnable broken chain of title case in court. It provides the same impeccable calculations that the REST report has provided for years. The 4,000 REST reports we've run so far have zero failures. Our reputation is absolutely golden. It will completely arm your attorney for a spectacular legal suit in court. It will significantly reduce the attorney preparation costs necessary for your case. This report costs less, is more extensive, and more reliable than the typical title search from your title company. Your attorney knows this. Your court knows this. REST stands for Real Estate Services Technology and is the leading edge of loan disposition analysis reporting technology. It costs $895. As I said before, it takes a special attorney to prosecute a broken chain of title case. I'm not in the position of recommending attorneys, but I do suggest aggressive attorneys in your state that are dedicated and trained in assisting homeowners that want to take it to their mortgage servicers and demand their day in court. The whole goal here is to put you in charge of your mortgage, just like the others across the country that have succeeded in making their lender behave responsibly and ethically. Call me at the phone number below and submit my form on my website for more information. I've been at this for 3 years. Some particulars. Beware the other HAMP calculators on the internet, including the HAMP website itself. They are a little more than parlor games, as the disclaimers plainly disclose. The REST report is the only proven document to hold up in court and duplicate your bank's own calculations. Please understand the difference between a mortgage modification, short sale, and a broken chain of title case. In a non-judicial state, a mortgage modification or short sale application, the homeowner is the respondent. Your mortgage servicer is the plaintiff. The issue of chain of title is never raised. Your servicer is frightened to death of their treachery being exposed. You could sue for broken chain of title a few years from now when your loan is back in good standing. The forensic audit strategy has historically not resulted in notable results in any situation. The banks have learned that they can sandbag any mortgage modification or short sale application except the REST report. REST software results have prevailed in every single instance. All missed mortgage payments go at the end of your loan anyway. In a broken chain of title suit, you, the homeowner, is the plaintiff and will prevail in any judicial state. I encourage you to call me to answer any questions you have about what might be the best strategy for you. I'm not here to push one strategy or another. You need to know what is best for you. Court receptivity to a broken chain of title varies by state. Maine, Massachusetts, New York, Delaware, North Carolina, South Carolina, Florida, Ohio, Texas, and Nevada are currently very sympathetic. Kentucky and Utah are waking up. Californians need to hope that their new Attorney General wakes up their state legislature. Arizona is in denial. They will probably be the last state in the union to wake up and recognize the treachery inflicted on servicers. The rest of the states are somewhere in the middle. You want to avoid Republican judges as a rule.